Guys, this is Afnan. I'm currently a first year student studying Biomedical Science at UWL. Today I'm here to share with you guys what was my experience so far at UWL and what are the tips and advices I would like to share with you guys as a first year student. So to start with, the very first thing I noticed after joining UWL is how warm and welcoming the people are. Like, believe it or not, they will make you feel so comfortable. And the reason why I'm saying is that because some students or people might think that universities are quite intimidating or not so friendly place, but UWL is not like that. They make you feel comfortable. They make you feel comfortable enough to practice your faith, to practice your culture. So yeah, even if you're a minority in the society, you will not feel like that in UWL. This was what I felt when I joined UWL. And another thing I really liked about UWL is the services, the student services they give, like let it be mental health service, let it be financial service, accommodation service, or any career support service. They have everything. You just have to ask. And you will get the help, the necessary help that you want. So yeah, never hesitate to ask if you are struggling with any of these issues. And yeah, in terms of course, my experience was really amazing. I especially really love the practicals. Like, I'm a very visual person, so that's why practicals are really something I really enjoy. Like, you literally get to see the words of textbooks visually in the lab. So yeah, I really enjoy it. And I personally enjoy more because of the amazing teachers and the technicians who never fails to engage you in the practical. They're always there present, and just if you have any questions, if you're struggling, just ask them. They're always there to help you guys. And always enjoy your practicals. It's amazing. And in terms of recreational experience at UWL, I would say they have various societies, various events going on every week and so on. So always try to join those. I personally like something called Flight Path, which is a visual stimuli of flying a plane. And if you ever join UWL, please go there for once because it's amazing. And some tips as a first year student, I believe that always know your module, who is your module lead, who is your course lead, who is your course rep, because these are the people who will help you the most if you're struggling with your anything, let it be your course or anything within the university. They know how to help you. And just always make a really good connection with these people, and always learn to make connections with new people and learn to make friends, because they would be really helpful for you guys to go through 3 to 4 years within the university. So just make sure to build these connections, those friendships, and believe it will be really, really helpful for you guys in future. It will land you guys in a really good job in future. You never know. So you always try to make friends, try to make new connections, and even if you can't make it, at least make sure you don't make enemies in university. So yeah, these are so far my advice and my experience at UWL. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for listening to me.